Hi, I'm Bill Crowley, founder and inventor of all the Quick-Sling products, now part of the DiversiTech family. I have over 30 years experience in the HVAC industry. Today we're going to talk about hanging a unit heater. We're going to talk about how you can remove the puzzle of unistrut, threaded rod, nuts, bolts, and washers by using Quick-Sling's Quick Swivel, the #1 selling unit heater hanger in the USA. The Quick-Sling bracket is quick to install, safe, and affordable. Here's the popular QSWI 3000 flush mount swivel. Like all the Quick-Sling brackets, it's made of 14 gauge steel and powder coated to last. Out of the box, there are 5 main components. 2 connection arms, 1 spreader bar, 2 circular adjustment plates that allow you to lock the unit heater in its desired direction of airflow. The flush mount bar, which is slotted 16 on center and 24 on center and allows you to mate right up to any traditional framing. Installation is quick and easy. The flush mount hanger bar can be mounted parallel or perpendicular to the joist. The equipment connection arms are designed to fit almost all unit heaters on the market today, and all the hardware is also included in the box. The patented circular adjustment plate is installed after the spreader bar has been mounted to the unit. The plate allows the unit to be rotated 360 degrees to the desired position, then locked in place, and now ready for venting, gas piping, and wiring. Quick-Sling offers a full line of unit heater brackets that make installation insanely fast and easy. Visit DiversiTech.com to learn more about Quick-Sling's line of mounting solutions.